From the chapter solid state, last time we saw the arrangement of spheres in 3 dimension, and we call it as AA type of arrangement. This is the second arrangement that we are going to see today. It is of the type AB. Now in this arrangement you can see the green colored spheres which is of one particular layer. Now the second layer that is arranged just below green spheres is not matching with the green spheres. The black spheres, you can see, they are arranged in the depression of green spheres. They are not placed just below the green spheres. Again, after black spheres, the third layer that is arranged, this arrangement is in 2 dimension, the figure that you can see. Again, the green layer that comes is matching with the first layer. The fourth is black colored layer that is matching with the second black colored layer. So in this arrangement, we have A and B. Again, A and B. Such layers produced. This arrangement gives rise to coordination number 6, because in this you can see a particular sphere is surrounded by 6 neighboring spheres. You can see a hexagon that is drawn. We are considering one sphere. You consider any spheres and join the central point of neighboring spheres, and as you get a hexagon here, we can see that there are 6 neighboring spheres. So coordination number here becomes 6 in case of 2-dimensional AB type of arrangement. Now when we want to convert this arrangement into 3-dimension, you can see here that the third layer can be arranged by 2 methods. In first method, you can see, now consider these BB spheres. I can place, now we have to arrange one above the other. The BB layer that you see, those are planar. They are on plane. You can place these 3 balls. You can take 3 balls and place them on the table. Now when we arrange the fourth ball A, it can be arranged in 2 ways. In first way, we can take the sphere A and place it in the depression of the 3 B spheres. The hole that is generated between the 3 B spheres, on that if we place A sphere, you get a hole between the 4 spheres. In the placement of these 4 spheres, you get a cavity, you get a hole, and that is called as a void. Void means empty space. The type of empty space that is created is called as tetrahedral void, because in this case there are 4 spheres involved. Tetra means 4. So as 4 spheres are involved in the formation of this empty space, it is called as a tetrahedral void. But if you consider the second case, in second case you have got the 2 layers A and B, right? Now what is done? On A, B is placed. Now when you move on right hand side, see the arrow of right hand side. When on A, B is placed in such a way that we are placing 3 spheres. The whole cavity is not covered by single, but it is covered by 3 spheres. You can get through the structures easily. Same way, see on the left hand side. On the left hand side arrow, what is done? On the left hand side arrow, on B, A is placed. कसाही प्लेसमेंट करा, A वरती V करा, B करा, or on B you place A. The type of void that is formed there, that void is called as octahedral void, because it is making use of 6 spheres. So see the arrangement properly in tetrahedral void and in octahedral void. octahedral there are 6 spheres involved. So we can say that if the number of close packed spheres are n, if the number of spheres are n, the number of octahedral voids are n, same number of octahedral voids, but the number of tetrahedral voids are 2n. This is, we have shown just using simple 4 and 6 spheres. But if this arrangement continues, it will be giving rise to a complicated layer. A complicated layer will be formed. For example, we have, when we are placing the above layer again on the tetrahedral voids. Now see, I told you two voids are formed. One is tetrahedral void and other is octahedral void. आता ती एकच टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड फॉर्म नाही झाली आहे, असे कितीतरी स्फिअर्स आहेत. सो ऑन द एन टू एन नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स आर फॉर्म्ड. जितके पार्टिकल्स त्याचे डबल नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स आर फॉर्म्ड. जस्ट नाउ वी सॉ. Now when on the tetrahedral voids you keep on placing spheres one above the other. Place कुठे करायचे spheres आपल्याला? On the tetrahedral voids. आता सेकंड लेअर चे पण टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स क्रिएट झाले, त्याच्यावरती परत तुम्ही एक स्फिअर प्लेस करा. असे वॉइड्स जनरेट होणार बाय क्रिएटिंग वन अबाउट द अदर. कीप ऑन प्लेसिंग. बट कुठे प्लेस करायचे आपल्याला? ऑन 3. On 3 spheres, you place the upper 4th sphere. Like that, you can try this with the help of balls. So, you will get, by placing one above the other, you will find that the first layer matches with the third and second layer matches with the fourth layer. Again, when you place fifth layer, first, third and fifth will be same. When you place sixth layer on that, on creating a tetrahedral void, you will find second, fourth and sixth layer same. So like that, in 3D you will get formation of hexagonal close packed structure which looks somewhat like this, which is shown. This is a 3D arrangement of hexagonal structure. So you can, if we see the exploded view, you can see formation of hexagonal close packing structure like this here. So you will find what the blue spheres which you can see 6, they are different than the orange spheres. Parat next gray color che, they are similar to blue. Again we have another 3 which are similar. आता हे spheres arrange कसे केलेत? They are placed on the 3. जे काय गॅप आहेत 3च्या वरती, त्याच्यावरती 4th sphere is placed. म्हणजे these are tetrahedral type of voids created. हा स्ट्रक्चर कसा जनरेट झाला आहे? टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड वरती नेक्स्ट लेअर प्लेस करून यू आर गेटिंग फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉम्पॅक्ट स्ट्रक्चर विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज हेक्सागोनल क्लोज्ड पॅक स्ट्रक्चर. नाव हा झाला टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइडचा. वी नो दॅट देर इज अनदर वॉइड क्रिएटेड ऑक्टाहेड्रल. आता ऑक्टाहेड्रलमध्ये हाऊ मेनी स्फिअर्स वर इन्वॉल्व्ड? देर वर 6 spheres involved. 3 and 3. Tetrahedral मध्ये 4 were involved. आता octahedral मध्ये when you keep on arranging, octahedral मध्ये when you keep on arranging the layers one above the other, creating octahedral voids, you will find that the first layer will not match with second will not match with third, but the first layer and the fourth layer will be same. So if I say A, B and C, A, B, C, first, second and third, A first, B second, C third, I will get again the fourth layer which is same as first. म्हणजे 3 layers हे वेगळे येतात आणि fourth layer matches with the first. Then second layer, the fifth layer that comes matches with the second. The 6th layer that comes matches with the third. This type of octahedral voids, when placed one above the other, gives rise to a cubic closed pack structure which is called as CCP structure. Now if we want to see it in proper view, we can see the structure like this. we have formation. This is different as compared to the tetrahedral voids. This structure is formed by creating octahedral voids, by covering octahedral voids. We create every type, every layer madhe we are creating octahedral voids, and we get this type of a structure, giving rise to closed packed structure. Now, hence, what is the overall conclusion? I can conclude that the coordination number of the sphere in AB type of arrangement is 12. Even in ABC arrangement, it is 12. Coordination number is 12. See, AB type of arrangement produce kasa hoto by using tetrahedral void. ABC arrangement is produced by using octahedral void, and ABC arrangement is giving rise to CCP, cubic close packed structure, and HCP is hexagonal close packed structure. In both the cases, the coordination number is same, that is 12, and the packing cannot be made more efficient than HCP and CCP. These are the best type of packing arrangements. Arrangement of the spheres is of the best type in this case, and it is not possible to increase the coordination number beyond 12. In any crystal, the maximum coordination number can be 12. It cannot go beyond 12. It cannot be more than 12.